Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this crate engine that we have right in front of me. This is the Demon 170. So you look at it, just at a quick glance, you're going to see that it looks kind of like just a regular Hellcat, but then you see the black lid on the blower and you're like, hey, that's kind of like a Hellephant. Well, the really cool thing about the Demon 170 is they took a combination of components and slapped it all together. This is our favorite way of hot rodding. You take parts from one setup and another one and you combine it all together. So the Demon 170, or as you look through the direct connection catalog, is going to be the Hellephant C170. They are available in both the crate engine as well as a long block, which doesn't have the blower itself. So this whole setup makes 1,025 horsepower at around 6,500 RPM and 945 pound-feet of torque. Now, that comes with a little asterisk because of the fact that the Demon 170, the reason why it has its name is because that power figure is based off of it running on E85. So for you guys that might do a little bit of, shenanigans on the side with proofing or making your own alcohol, you'll understand that for 85% alcohol by volume, that's actually multiplied by 2 is how you get your proofing. So 85% equals 170 whenever it comes down to this. So this is a really cool setup. This is very, very unique for us. We were able to get our hands on one. This is already going out the door. So like Nick and I, we're like soaking it all in because we're not going to see another one of these unless we maybe luck out and see one at SEMA or PRI or any of the other big shows. So this setup is going to be absolutely a monster for somebody that's going to be doing this install in maybe a pro touring build or whatever. We have some customers that are putting them in, Rams and everything because the C10 movement is also progressing over into the other truck segments from other brands. So this is really neat. We were excited to be able to take a look at it and unbox it real quick and give you guys a chance to take a look at it. We're going to go around this for a little bit and show you guys a few of the neat things about this. Right off the top, you'll notice that it's still super shiny on top of the lid. This one came with instructions saying that, hey, just to ship this out and not have you guys waiting forever, they're actually going to be sending the badges out for this one. It's just not included with this kit at this point in time, but maybe some of the later Demon 170 crates will have that available. Also, the other thing is, you'll probably be asking, what about the block? So the Hellephant was an aluminum block. It was 426. This is a 6.2 liter, just like the regular Hellcats and the Red Eyes and everything else like that. This is a cast iron block still, 6.2, but it's also yellow. So what do you guys think about that one? Overall, everything else is included. You've got your harness and whatnot. There's no controller for it just yet. That hasn't quite been announced, but we figure we'll probably be able to see that at some point in time soon. And then, of course, we're just looking forward to seeing what this goes into. So what would you guys put a Demon 170 into? And we'd love to hear that in comments down below. So once again, thanks for stopping by. This was a cool unboxing for us, just real quick. And we will see you guys next time for another tech video or maybe a cool unboxing.